Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install a Python 3.9 to Windows 10. So let's get into it. First I want to Google Python Windows 10 and I want to visit the download page on python.org. Here I will select the newest 3.9 Python installation file and I want to choose Windows 86/64 executable installer. Then I'll double click on the newly downloaded file. Now I'll choose the customized installation because I don't want Python to be installed on my hard disk where I have the Windows 10 installed. And I will click on add Python 3.9 to path. Here I will leave every option checked. I will click on next. I want to install it for all users, associate all files with Python, create shortcuts for installed application, add Python to environment variables. And finally, I want to install the Python into this destination. And I will click on install. And it's done. Setup was successful. I will close the installer. Next, if I want to test that Python was correctly installed and it's working, I will fire up PyCharm and I will just create a new project in this folder and name it test. And here, if I create a new Python file, and I will name it also a test.py. And for example, if I print a hello world and execute the file, it should run, but it's not working because the system cannot find the file specified. First thing is I want to check if interpreter is pointing to the newly installed Python 3.9, which is not. What I want to do is to include Python 3.9 that I just installed. Now I just create a new environment. I will click apply. It will scan for new Python files. Alright, now if I want to test Python is installed, I will just run and print hello world. And as you can see, PyCharm printed hello world in its console. So everything is working. So that will be it for today. If this video was helpful, click on the like button and see you next time.